Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can find and see your liked reels on Instagram. It's actually quite straightforward when you know how, so as I get into it, if it does work for you, smash the like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and let's get started. Okay guys, so here we have Instagram just loaded up on my iPhone, and what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and find some reels just so that we can like them, so that we can show you how to find them later. Okay, I don't like any of that, so I'm just going to come over to this one and we're just going to hit like on this reel. Okay, if we come out of here, the first thing we want to do is actually navigate down to the bottom right hand corner, which is our profile picture, and our profile loads up. From here we have the Hamburger option. That's the three lines at the very top right hand corner. Give that a click. This is going to load up all of your settings and activity. Okay, now at the very top here you can see that you have your activity. Okay, this is how you use Instagram. Okay, so if you give that a click, it's going to load up all of these different settings. Okay, and it's the very first set of settings that you actually want. Okay, you're called interactions. Now you've got likes, comments, tags, sticker responses, and reviews. And obviously this video is about likes, so we'd go ahead and click on likes, and this is going to load up all the things that you've liked on Instagram. Then from here, it's obviously listed from newest to oldest. You can change that if you want to, or you can narrow down your search to a specific set of dates. In our case, we only want to find things that we've liked that are reels. Okay, so for that we come down to all content types and we want to filter it to just reels. We apply it, and now we can find the reels that we've actually liked on Instagram, which is this one right here. I can give it a click. I can remove that like because, well, I don't like it, and ultimately here we are. We can now see that that is on here. If we go ahead and go back to our likes, it should now be removed from our likes in very much the same way that we actually added it there. Okay, so it is quite a straightforward process. It's a little bit of digging inside your settings to find it, but that is how you would find your liked reels in Instagram. Okay guys, that's it. That's as easy as that to find your likes on Instagram, for likes on posts or likes on reels. If you found this useful and informative and it works for you, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.